UZ lecturers withdraw court bid to halt 44th graduation ceremony. By staff reporter, Zim Insight News, Harare, the University of Zimbabwe, UZ, has confirmed that the urgent court application filed by the Association of University Teachers, AUT, to block the institution's upcoming 44th graduation ceremony has been withdrawn. The application, lodged on the 8th of August 2025 under case number HCH 4026/25, sought to interdict the graduation scheduled for the 15th of August. However, following a case management meeting at the High Court on the 11th of August, the AUT elected to pull back its challenge. In an official statement released Tuesday, the 12th of August, the university revealed that judicial scrutiny of the matter had exposed several substantive, procedural, and legal flaws in the application. As a result, the court ordered the applicants to cover the wasted costs incurred by the respondents. The University of Zimbabwe wishes to inform its stakeholders that the application sought to interdict the 44th graduation ceremony. Following a case management meeting, the applicant elected to withdraw its application. The statement read in part, UZ stressed that all preparations for the graduation remain on track. Graduands have been encouraged to continue with their arrangements, with all logistical plans firmly in place. The institution has also announced extended operating hours for key administrative offices, including the bursar's department, library, and faculty offices, from 8 o'clock to 16:30 during the public holiday to facilitate final clearance. The withdrawal marks the latest development in ongoing tensions between the AUT and the university administration, stemming from unresolved labor disputes. While the AUT has not publicly detailed its reasons for the attempted graduation halt, sources suggest it was linked to ongoing lecturer strikes and salary grievances. With the legal challenge now out of the way, UZ says it is ready to welcome thousands of graduates and their families to celebrate academic achievements on 15 August, a milestone the institution insists will proceed without disruption.